Hello all, this is Saraswati from SNS Academy, the institution highly committed to design thinking, embodying the spirit of cultivating entrepreneurial mindset, nurturing initiatives, resilience and innovations. We are always proud to say that SNS institution focus constantly on human-centered innovations. So, our task today is to look closely at the blueprint guiding our success, that is the SNS roadmap, titled From the Chaos to the Creation and Building the Excellence Step by Step. This map not only defines what we do, but how we achieve and build up the excellence step by step.
So the foundation with sincerity, nobility and service. The roadmap begins with the foundation. Here we must acknowledge the starting point, the chaos or the challenge. This represents the initial friction or frustration that we encounter, the problems that need solving, to seek excellence in every activity.
Historically, we might have relied on standard approaches, typical of common man and business. But at SNS, we follow design thinking, which is the core to human-centered innovation. Design thinking flips the switch by putting people at the heart of problems. It includes empathizing the problem, defining the problem, ideating a creative solution for our problem, creating a prototype for our solution, and testing the prototype.
So moving on to framework and culture. Once the foundation is in, we build our structure toward framework and culture. This is perhaps the broadest space as it integrates in daily actions and beliefs. Our operational model is governed by the 3P culture, focusing on process, purpose, and people. This culture in SNS is supported by the 3C framework, which defines the qualities we cultivate: attitude, logic, and technique.
Crucially, our success depends upon 5 pillars. These 5 pillars are CLE, Center for Learning and Action, which focuses on developing our academic and teaching side by design thinking curriculum. SCD, Skill and Career Development, which develops our skills beyond academics by inculcating co-curricular activities. CFC, which focuses on our creative potentials. IITC, which helps us learn about different business ventures and industries. And SRI helps to support poor and needy people and give back to the society. These are the structural components which support our academic and professional environment.
Furthermore, we recognize that academic excellence is impossible without holistic wellness. Therefore, SNS integrates SPINE. It is a framework dedicated to balancing health, hobbies, sports, and clubs. This ensures that our people are resilient and well-rounded.
Final phase of the roadmap culminates in excellence in creation. This is where our systems and efforts translate into ambitious and measurable achievements. We track progress by using smart OKR goals, often incorporating gamification to improve the progressive achievements. The pursuit of excellence is defined by this progressive achievement structure.
Moving past the current structure, we look toward growth and innovation. This phase is dedicated to expanding our influence and adopting future technologies. We measure our industrial engagement through innovation 7+7. This focuses on industry clubs, for example, Pet Club, Robotics Club, and Round Square, and so on. This linkage ensures that teaching remains relevant and cutting edge. Thank you.
A major focus now is Gen AI enablement. We're actively integrating artificial intelligence into our systems, designing new teaching roadmaps and projects based on this technology. This commitment also leads directly to the creation of certified talents who are equipped in the future workforce.
Our ambition is vast and long-term. We are operating a 10-year mission to foster 1,000 AI startups. This commitment defines our impact on a broader economic and innovation scale. Finally, this all is led by growth mindset. This mindset utilizes the tools where we started from, design thinking and AI, to ensure continuous learning and adaptability. Because true innovation is not just about ideas, it's about the mindsets which bring them into reality.
Crowning this is certified talents, ensuring our graduates aren't just knowledgeable but credentialed. Through partnerships and programs, SNS offers certifications in AI industry specific skills. It's about building portfolios that shine students into sought after talents ready to innovate globally, like Stanford and other abroad universities.
In conclusion, dear friends, the SNS roadmap takes us from chaos to creation, one deliberate step at a time. From foundational challenges and design thinking through our cultural framework like 3P and Spine, to innovative growth with AI and clubs, and finally to excellence with smart goals and a growth mindset. On the whole, it's a holistic journey